Kev Jenkins here with the Fraudster Escort, right? We don't get these back home, I don't think. And they were all over the place at Door Slammers. And I love the way this car looks. You gotta tell me about it.
It's a Mark 1, 1973 Mark 1 Escort.
A classic.
It's a little bit longer wheelbase than standard, 6.5 inches longer wheelbase. So we moved the axle back and we extended the front. Very subtly, so it maintains the appearance.
I didn't even notice that.
It maintains the appearance. It was built by Ladmo Chassis in Malta.
So what's the power plant here?
It's a Vauxhall 2 litre, or you probably know it as an Opel engine, but as a 2 litre with an engine strapped to a turbo, pretty much. It's quite a big turbo.
How did you end up with a Vauxhall engine?
I had the engine from many years ago as a circuit engine, and I bought the Mark 1 Escort as a rolling shell, and I put it in. It's quite a common conversion in the UK.
Okay.
So and that's what we did.
And so it's a 2 litre.
It's a 2 litre.
It's not stroked or anything.
No, standard stroke, standard ball.
So you're pushing a ton of boost through this thing.
Not at the minute. 1.9 bar on the run.
Yeah. Any idea how much power this is putting down?
Estimated at 20 psi on the hub dyno was 695 at the hubs, but we was going to go.
Well, not that much power. It must be pretty light.
It's 996 with me in it. Kilos. Up until the Door Slammers, we had a couple of engine malfunctions, which it wasn't the engine's fault. It was more to do with the clutch. The clutch was out of balance, which was causing harmonics through the crank and causing.
So you're chasing all that stuff.
So then the best, obviously, when it all came together at Door Slammers, I was quite.
That was your first good pass?
That was the first full pass in the car, pretty much at Door Slammers. So.
Well, I'm honored to be able to see it. That's awesome. I wish I had it on video, but I know we can count on Kieran. He's got it all.
He's got it, yeah.
We'll get it in the video. It's such a beautiful car and so unique because I haven't seen any race cars made out of these Mark 1 Escorts, and they were everywhere last weekend. And how did the car get its name, Fraudster?
Purely for that, because it hasn't got a Ford engine in the car.
Ah, okay.
A Vauxhall in a Ford, so it's Fraudster, which is quite apt.
I love that.
The purists don't like it, but
I love that.
Yeah, it's my choice.
What computer do you run on the car?
Link Fury ECU.
Really?
With,
I saw that a lot in Germany.
They do, and there's a lot over here, but in drift cars it seems to be. But it's a very good ECU.
Gotcha. So what's your goal with the car? What are you hoping to run with it?
Now we found the problem with what was causing the engine problems, we're going to build the proper engine, and we're looking at the low sevens. So that's
awesome. That's going to be flying for this car. Kieran, come here real quick. Sorry. So I found this out when we first met last week.
Okay.
Back when I first started our Facebook page, like 2006 or 7 or something like that, I had a competition to see whose car was the favorite amongst all our fans. So I had fans submit all their cars. I put them up on our page. We voted through like a couple different rounds, I think, and you guys made it in the top 10.
Oh, really?
And when we met, he reminded me of this. So
it's his car.
Yeah, and it was in the top 10. Was it this one?
Yeah.
Really?
Same engine, same base engine, Pro Charger.
It's gone through a lot of iterations since then, I'm sure. But then you guys made it in the top 10, which means that everybody in the top 10 got a DVD, and I forget what else. But I was like, oh man, I have to ship this to the UK. I've never done this before. But I remember when he told me that. I remembered that going down. It was like 12 years ago, I think. I don't know. It was a long time.
Still good.
Do you?
Yeah, it's
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, Kev and Kieran, it's awesome to meet you guys. I can't wait to see us run some more. Good luck. So is it semis or finals next?
I think we get a buy-in to the final.
Are you serious?
For the way the ladders fall.
No.
I think we got the buy-in to the final.
Quick enough on the boost control, maybe. I don't know.
Gotcha.
You know, on the normal.
Didn't build any boost.
Still one of my favorite cars.